Take a seat on the curb.
Take your hands out of your jacket. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's playing with the gun right now. He's got it in his hand.
Drop it.
On June 25, 2024, Pomona police officers responded to a call reporting armed gang members robbing people outside a motel. They encountered Rolando Esquivel, 40, leaving the location on foot. Esquivel disobeyed police commands to stop and walked away.
Hey, take a seat on the curb, man. Hey! Take a seat on the curb.
Take your hands out of your jacket. Take your hand out of your jacket.
Seat on the curb.
One at gunpoint. He's refusing to comply. Hey, get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now.
Back away.
Get on the ground now. Get your hand out of your jacket. Get on the ground now. Get in.
Back the fuck away right
Hey.
now, dog.
Get on the ground now.
Back away, dog.
Get on the ground now.
Come on, dog. I'm not even tripping.
Hey, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Take your hand in your pocket. Hey, get on the ground. Yes, where are you?
Get cover, get cover, get cover, get cover, get cover, get cover.
Hey, get on the ground.
Stop.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I'm not even tripping, dog. Right. What's up? You got no trip or what?
Hey, he's got a gun. He's got a gun.
Back away.
Back up. Back up.
Look, I'm not even tripping, dog. Back away. It's cool. I'm not even tripping, dog. I'm not hurting nobody.
Hamilton and Holt. He's walking southbound.
Can I enjoy it?
Hey, get on the ground.
Bro, leave me alone. Come on, dog. I'm not even tripping.
Hey, get on the ground, dude. You're not going anywhere, dog. Get on the ground. Hey, get on the ground. Hey, get on the ground. Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out. No, he's got a revolver. Hey, get on the ground, dog.
On the fucking ground. Bro, leave me the fuck.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Still walking southbound Hamilton from Holt. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
What's your name?
Hey, cover.
Hey, show us your fucking hands, dude. Show us your hands, dude. Bro, I'm not even.
Hey, get on the ground. Take your hand out of your pocket. Hey, hey, gun. Hey, he's playing with the gun right now. He's got it in his hand. Hey, go on the ground now. Go on the ground now.
The door's open for you. Hey, what's your name, dog? Let's talk. Let's talk. What's going on here, dog? All right, listen.
Hey,
Keep your hands out of your pocket.
get on the ground.
Hey, door's open for you. Hey, what's your name, dog? Let's talk. Let's talk. What's going on here, dog? All right, listen. Hey, keep your hands out of your pocket.
Explore south of the street. This will be your visit point
Hey.
park. He's approaching
Hey.
the park.
Hey, talk to me. Yeah. Shit. I got the cars there. Watch car.
He
Watch
goes
car.
in his hoodie pocket.
And in hoodie pocket.
Did you get here?
Right hoodie pocket.
Let me know how comfortable you are. Put the fucking gun down!
Drop it in your hand.
You know what I mean?
Drop it in your hand.
Drop the gun or you're gonna get that.
Drop it in your hand.
Drop the gun or you're gonna get
Hand in his pocket. Your hand in your pocket.
So you back?
Hand in his hand.
Drop it!
Hand in his hand.
Drop it now! Drop the fucking gun or you're gonna get
Drop
back.
the gun.
Big back.
Drop that gun, dude.
998, 998,
Hey, move to the right,
998 shots fired.
After the shooting, officers rendered medical aid and assessed the suspect's injuries. The suspect was transported to the hospital and succumbed to his injuries. No other suspects were located during this incident. The Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office reviewed the case and concluded that the officers reasonably believed the use of deadly force was necessary to defend against an imminent threat.